it's definitely writing. You know, like cursive, it looks like. L. Huh? Right, where am I? Is that an X on an R or something? And I ain't got my glasses, so I don't know. Can't get down to that side. Oh, that. Oh, well, anyway, I'm gonna go now anyway. Hello. So anyway, I just thought I'd point them that right, you know. Anyway, probably tomorrow if I could get round it, but that definitely looks like a. So it's supposed to be a full stop or a circle and L. Anyway. It reminds me of what was it now? That horror film with all them. Yeah. Oh, is this? Do you think? I bet it is. Do you think? What's that film? What the Hellraiser? I can't remember. Yeah, they were all trapped in. Oh, forget it anyway. Oh dear. Anyway, probably won't even get the answer to this neither. Whatever. I'd never do to anything anymore. Yeah. Game. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Right. 'Cause I'm really not in the mood actually. After piss take today, but there you go. Waited up all night, worried, looking out and this and that for him. Won't do it again anyway. Right. Bye guys.